Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a bank system, like the bank with upgrades. The upgrades cost the real gold. You can also use the currency system if you knew something about programming in Verse, but I will show you how to do it with gold. So here's the upgrade one, costs 0 gold and give 5 gold per 5 seconds. So okay, so you see this message successful above, and boom, I get 5 gold. And I need to get to this upgrade to show you how it works next. Okay, so I have 50 gold, and let's go to the upgrade 2, and I get the message successfully above, and we can test on this one. If I don't have enough gold, I try to buy it, not enough gold. And also you can't buy the same upgrade, it says not enough gold. You can change this message to you already have this or something like that. So yeah, let's hop into code. Okay, so we are in UEFN, and the first things we need to create a new script and call it bank system or whatever you want. You can call it whatever you want, yeah. Open the code. Okay, and okay, we can delete these useless comments. We don't need them. Okay, and we will need a class of bank upgrade data, which is the class with concrete tag. Okay, we also need to have HUD's data, where we'll store all the HUD's message device, like for example success HUD, not enough gold, or whatever HUD you want. And we also will need the agent data class. Without concrete we don't need any table in here. So okay, maybe we should start with agent data. We'll need the var current gold per time. So this is how much gold agent will get per time you will set. So for example, per 3 seconds, per 5 seconds, per 10 seconds, you can set this time to whatever you want. And also we need owned bank upgrades. So this is the array of int. So this is basically like the upgrades that player have. So yeah, for example, if we buy first upgrade, he will say 0 because yeah, he gets 0. Okay, so in HUD's data we can do a editable success HUD, which is HUD message device, and we can copy this and paste it here. And not enough gold, for example, or whatever currency or item you want to add here. I will use the gold. And in bank upgrade data we'll need the price. So this is the price for the upgrade, so how much gold he need to spend to upgrade this. Next thing we'll need the gold per time. So this is how much gold he will get from this upgrade. So for example, he buy the upgrade for 50 gold, and here the current gold per time we will add him 5. So he will now from 0 go to 5 gold per time. Okay, next thing we will need the conditional button. Spell it with double A. Conditional button device. Okay. And also we'll need a normal button device. So yeah, button device. Okay. This is all device we will need. We'll need the index also. So this is, with this we will store the owned bank upgrades. So here will be indexes of this upgrade. So for example, if you have 10 upgrades here and player both second and third, here will be 1 and 2, just 1 and 2 index, because index starts from 0. And yeah, and also we need the maybe main device, which is our bank system. but we'll need to do it in optional. Okay, so here we need a function on begin, where we'll start our events. It's more, more readable. Okay, and next function we need is check if player can buy. So in this function we need this type of logic, return false for now. In this function we will check if player have enough gold to buy for this price. And also another function, check if player have upgrade. So here we will check if player already bought this upgrade, and if not, you can buy it. So we don't want like the player to buy upgrades 2 times or multiple times. And also we'll need a function on button clicked. Okay, add returns for now. And okay, we can start with check if player can buy. So we will need the agent gold. So we'll get it from conditional button that get item count from agent and with 0 index. Oh, that item counts agent 0 index. Is page wrong? No. Wait. Oh, okay. I return. Never mind. Yeah. So basically, this returns how many items an agent has of the item stored at the index. So in our example, we have gold. So we will get the number how much gold player have in his inventory. So next we need to check if agent gold is greater or equals the price, and if that's a yes, a true, we need to return return true. So basically player can buy it. Okay, check if player have upgrade. So here we need the agent data, so we need to set the agent data real quick. Okay, so go to the bank system, type for agent data map. This type of this is the map, the key is the agent, and here will be the agent data. Okay, so we use the agent to get his agent data. So on player joint agent, so this is a function that we will fire when player join the game, and we just basically need to set him a new agent data. Yeah, so we need to check if agent data map in agent don't have the agent data map, so we want to reset him, the agent. Maybe, I don't know, there's so bad he respawn and this function fire, I don't know why, but maybe, just maybe, we want to make sure that we don't reset the data for agent. So we need to set agent data map for agent is equal to agent data with 3 brackets. Okay, and now we need to fire that function. So for all players, get play space, get players. So basically we get all the players in the lobby. Agent will be the player from all players. Okay, so this is, we need to also fire this function here, because when player not joining the progress but before the game started, he will not get this function on player joined. So that's why we need this for loop for every player that join before the games actually start. So get play space. Oh, I don't remember this function, so we can just hope to the fourth play space and see player added event signalize when the human player joined the fourth play space, return a subscriber with paper. Okay, yeah. So let's play player added event, subscribe, and on player joined. So this function is for new players that join the game in progress. Okay, and now we can finally check if player have upgrades. So if main device, okay, we need to get the, oh, because I also returned. Sorry, I forgot about it. Okay, so we need to main device, get the main device from the optional, and also we need to get the agent data map from our main device. So main device, agent data map for agent. Okay, if you have it, we need to do the for loop through all the agent owned bank upgrades. So we need to do agent data map owned bank upgrades. We need to okay, player upgrade. I need to loop through all the owned bank upgrades. So for example, if you have 3 upgrades, we can, you know, loop through all and see which one he have and which one he doesn't have. So we need to see if player upgrade, yeah, is equal to index. So for example, if we have, yeah, so if we want to buy first upgrade, we need to check if he have that upgrade, and if he has that upgrade, we need to return true. So he can buy it, he have it, we return true, player have that upgrade. Okay, now we can copy this if statement because we'll need it to on button cleared. Okay, and we need to check. I'm sorry, I have something to do. Okay, I'm back where we, okay, can buy. So yeah, we need to check if player can buy. So we need to, sorry for my, yeah, so we need to check the can buy. So check if player can buy. We need to fire that function to agent, so it will return us true or false. So we will know if player can buy this thing. Okay, next thing is have upgrade. So this is this function. So we need to check if player already have that upgrade or not. Okay, so now we need to do the if statement, and if can buy is equal to true and have upgrade is equal to false, so agent don't have that upgrade and can buy it, then we go to the next step, set agent data map that current gold per time plus equal gold per time that we set right there. Okay, and next we need to set agent data map that owned bank upgrades plus equals array of our index. So we basically set to the agent data that he already have that upgrade and he can't buy it anymore. Okay, next we need to conditional button that set item count required to 0 and count to our price. So basically, if you don't set it up in the UEFN to the conditional button, it will handle it. So yeah, this is just to make sure everything works fine. So conditional button that activates, and here we get the items in our example, the gold from the player. Okay, now we need to main device that, okay, we don't have it, so give me a second, we need to add it. Do the editable hats data is equal to hats data. So basically this is our hats. So here we can show it on the screen. So okay, success hat that show for the agent, so agent know that about this upgrade. Okay, so and we need the else statement. So if player can buy it, so for example he don't have the money and he already have that upgrade, we need to show the main device that hats and not enough gold hat. You can also do it with one more hat that each one for can buy and have upgrades. So for example, if we don't have enough money to buy it, you just show not enough gold, and after checking that, you also can have the like in these two separates if statements, so you can do two separate else to show two separates had message device. For example, to this one not enough gold, and to this one you already have that upgrade. Okay, and next we need to go to our onboarding function, connect the button device to like add the subscribe to it, interact it with event subscribe to our function on button clicked. Okay, we can build the verse code to check for any errors if you have it or not. Okay, now we can go to our bank system and add our bank upgrade data. Wait, okay, bank upgrades data, which be an array. Okay, and now we need to loop through all our upgrades on the map. So bank upgrade data is okay through our array. Need to set bank upgrade data that maybe main device to option self. Oh, I spelled it wrong, sorry. Option self. So basically to this device, and we need to fire the onboarding. Okay, that's it. Next we need to have here the table to time to grant gold. So this is your time per time that's going to gold will be granted to player. So for example, per 5 seconds here he will get the amount of gold that he both upgrade for. So you can here set 10, 50, 300, 1, 2, 3, 5, I would say 4, 5, sorry. And also we'll need the gold item granter. You can name it whatever you want. For example, if you use some, I don't know, other items. Okay. And next we need to create a function, basically two functions. Grant gold per time, which will be the suspense function, and it will be type void and return for now. And also the grant gold will be, which will be also the suspense, but with two parameters, agent and gold to grant. Wait, grant will be int. Okay, we can say that for now the var temp amount to int, and this is equal to gold to grant. Okay, here we need to do a loop with a slip of 0.0, and basically in item granter we will have the 5p index, so we can grant like bigger numbers of gold, because we can't directly set items to grant with item granters, so we need to find a way around to do it. I think not. Maybe you can in some new one. No, I don't see anything. Yeah, so basically we can't. So we need to do it in other way. So basically we have 5 find the same item at the different t index. And for example, if player have to grant 10k gold, we here do, okay, maybe I will show you in the example because I don't know how to explain it now. So if temp amount is greater or equals 2000, so if this gold to ground for agent, this one, like the upgrade ones, is bigger than 2000 per time, that will grant him the 2000 item index for agent 4, and set temp amount is equals 2000. Okay, so yeah, we grant him 2000 and remove from his gold to ground minus 2000. We need to go to the next one. Temp amount is less or equals to 50. Okay, maybe I will just copy this 3 and to 50. You can just copy all of that. So here will be 50 to 50. Here will be 5, 5 and 1. Here will be 1, 1 and 0. Okay. And also we need to break that function, so if temp amount is less or equals 0, then break. Okay. Now in the function grant gold per time, we need to set the var current loop time. This is basically like I discovered on my experience while making maps that the loops that's, you know, the loops like running too long, causing the performance of the game. So for example, if loop working continuously, for example like 1 hour on the game after 1 hour start lagging. So I basically just found that if you break loops after 5 minutes and reopen them again, the performance like increased. So yeah, it's really useful. Loop expired time, it's a type of float, and 5 minutes is 300 seconds. Okay, now we need to create a loop with sleep, time to grant gold, set current loop time minus equals time to grant gold. Okay, so we just wait. This time you set it up there, and we need to grant the gold for all players, so we need to look for all players. Just get play space, get players. Okay, so we get the array of all players in the game. Now we need to get the player, so the player from all players. Okay, and now we need to get the agent data to each of this player. So agent data map for player, and gold to grant, so here will be how much, just the same as here, but just, you know, for more readable. Agent data that oh, I said agent, I don't know why. Okay, agent data, so we get the current gold per time, so how much he earned per 5 seconds, and we need to grant this gold to him. So spawn, grant gold, player, and gold to grant. Okay, and here after this for loop we need to basically break the loop if current loop time is less or equal 0.0, and we need to spawn that loop again and break this one. This will help your game performance. And this function we need to spawn in onBegin function of our bank system. Okay, so that's all in code. Let's hop to UEFN and connect all the devices. Okay, so I'm in UEFN right now, and we can track our Verse device to our map. And okay, I think I forgot to add some edit tables somewhere, because I don't think it should be like that. Now we have edit table. Oh, it's weird. Maybe it's... Yeah, okay, I forgot to put first root, sorry. So, time to grant gold, we'll leave it at this, at 5 seconds. We need the item granter device. Okay. Oh, why this is so weird. Okay, we need the item granter, and we need to set it up to on grant action keep all, grant current item at 5T index. First one was okay. Set the gold, click shift and right button on the mouse, and here shift and left button. Okay, 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 and okay. First one was 1, second 5, third 25. Yes, let's see. Oh, 50, sorry. 50, 2050 and 2000, 2050 and 2000. Okay. And any other options we can leave on default. Gold item granter, so connect this one. Now we also need the HUD message devices, so we'll create one for now. Name it HUD success. Okay, the message, these two emojis, and successfully bouthed. Okay, we need to set it message recipe into triggered player. Show for duration, you can set duration whatever you want. I will set it to 2.5 seconds. The sound, I will type the success, and I rather to pick one of these three. For me the third one option is the best one, so I will pick the third one. Placement, custom, and the center one, so it will be on the center of the screen. Layer 0, priority, you can disable it, so it's basically the main priority. And intro animation, I will set it to fade and zoom to this outro and intro. Size 24 and text color to the green one. Okay. We need to copy this and rename it to HUD not enough, and change the color to the red one, and change this message to not enough gold, and set the play sound to some error one. We have unfortunately only one, so pick this one. And yeah, that's it for HUDs. So connect these two ones. Okay, and now we need to create the bank upgrades, so hit three times this plus or whatever upgrades you want. How much? 10, 12, whatever. And okay, this is our upgrade data. So the price, for example, the first one will be 0, gold per time 5. Conditional button. Okay, I will go to the device folder, and it's default button. Okay, so how to set up the conditional button? Wait, I will place it here. Okay, we need to disable the interaction, so allow interaction set to false, and key item 1 set to gold. Okay, and key item required, you can set it whatever you want, but I rather to place your price here, so players will know, because this one in code will only execute when player buying it, so it's not be displayed at the game start. So the best things you can do is just set it here, and that's it. In the conditional button you can also set the visible during game to hologram only, so you will not see this, you know, device. I will set it to yes for now. Oh, wait. Okay, and now we need to set it up our button device, so place it somewhere here and go to the app. Interaction time, you also can set it whatever you want. I rather set like 0.5 seconds, because, you know, player know that he actually clicking that button. Interaction text upgrades, okay, and visible during game, set it to false, and interaction radius also 0.5. Okay, you can change the name so you can better organize things. Button upgrade 1 and virtual button upgrade 1. Okay, also the best things you can do is just create a folder separately to bunch system into your map. So creates folder bunch system, so folder upgrades and upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3. Okay, and drag this to upgrade 1, copy this thing, this conditional buttons and button, drag it to upgrade 2, and copy these ones and drop to upgrade 3. Yeah, and here we need to just change the price into the shell button, for example 50, and here to 500. Okay, and we need to go back to our first device, connect our conditional button and our button device. Next we have the second upgrade, so price will be 50, gold per time 100, conditional button and button device. Okay, third upgrade will be price 500, gold per time 1000, conditional button and our button device. You can add whatever amount of upgrades you only want. It's, you know, sky is the limit. Okay, we can also put some walls behind it. Okay, so go to the Fortnite wall flat and find some cool wall. Okay, for example this one. Add the grid, so you know, because if you don't enable this grid, the wall will not apply to grid and just, you know, floating like that. Just apply this grid, and also if you had that back when your wall is just like that and you want this side to be on this side, just grab this arrow here on the front and drag it to this side, so it will rotate automatically. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, and yeah, so that's basically it, I guess. Yeah, let's hop to the game and test it. Okay, I was waiting for game and I found some issue in our code, so let's back to the code and hop to the on begin. And here in the for loop we forgot to set the index for the bunch upgrade, so need to just add little tweak index. So in this for loop, just add index is equal to 0 0 0 dot 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 bunch upgrades data bunch upgrades data bunch upgrades data length -1. Okay, and bunch upgrades data is bunch upgrades data in the index. Okay, and now here we can set bunch upgrades data that index is equal to idx. Okay, and now let's hop to the game and check it out. Okay, so we are able to buy this first upgrade because it's Euro gold, and the other ones not enough gold. Oh, I forgot to change the emoji, sorry. And not enough gold. And here we can buy this, and yeah, we get successful buff, rent our gold. That's nice. Can wait to the other upgrade. Maybe I should go it with 0 seconds. So we need to wait like a minute. So if you're waiting, you can, you know, drop down and leave a like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, I would be really grateful for that. Okay, and now we have 50 gold. This option just turned blue. Click upgrade, and yeah, we get successful buff. And even if we have gold to buy it another, like once again, boom, we can't do it because we already have this. So that's why I told you to add another hat. So yeah, that's basically it for today. That's how bank system works. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want the old code from this video, the first code, just go to the description and join my Discord, and for free, with no inviting any friends or anything, you can get this code on the tutorials channel. So yeah, see you in the next one.